Did you know that the Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest on Earth? Covering an area of approximately 2.1 million square miles, it spans across 9 countries in South America, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, and Venezuela. The Amazon rainforest is a home to over 40,000 plant species, including fascinating ones. The giant water lily, which can grow up to 6 feet in diameter. Moving on to the animal kingdom, the Amazon rainforest is inhabited by an incredible array of wildlife, including the elusive jaguar, the colorful macaws, and the playful pink river dolphins. The Amazon rainforest produces more than 20% of the world's oxygen.